What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at another important security feature available on the Android phones, which fixes the absolute biggest flaw in smartphone theft protection. We all know about Find My Device, right? But let's be real. If your phone gets snatched right out of your hand, the first thing you would try to do is borrow a friend's phone to track it. But here is a massive catch. To use Find My Device, you have to log into your Google account, right? And how do you log into your Google account on a borrowed device when your two-factor authentication code is sent directly to the phone that was just stolen? There are workarounds. However, for a moment, you are completely locked out of your own tracking tools. This is exactly why Google offers another feature called Remote Lock as a part of their massive theft protection suite. Remote Lock completely bypasses the need to log into your Google account. It is designed for that exact panic moment when your phone is gone and you just need to instantly brick the screen before the thief can start digging through your personal data, your banking applications, or your gallery. So how does this actually work in the real world? If you lose your phone, you can grab literally any connected device, your friend's phone, a tablet or a laptop, or you just go to internet cafe and just open web browser and go straight to android.com/log. It won't ask for your email or password. All you do is punch in your phone number and boom, the moment you hit send, your stolen phone screen locks itself down instantly and demands your biometric scan or your original PIN to open backup. So here is how you set it up. Go to the settings on your Android phone, tap on security and privacy, tap on lost device protection. Here we have got Find My Mobile and theft protection. Tap on theft protection here. At the bottom you will see remote lock. This is most likely not enabled by default. Tap on remote lock and just enable use remote lock feature. When remote lock is on, you can lock your screen remotely if your device is lost or stolen. How it works? On any device, go to android.com/lock, enter your device's phone number to lock its screen. No sign-in or Google account needed. And we also have another option, security question, which is optional, helps ensure that only you can lock your screen. If you have enabled the security question, you will have to answer that question while locking your phone. I think it's a no-brainer to set it up because anybody can go to this particular website and enter your phone number to lock your phone, which may not harm you or affect you in any ways, but still it's better to set up a security question. So go ahead and set it up as well. And this of course need internet connection. The cellular network or the Wi-Fi needs to be on your phone for this feature to work. Now, I know what the tech-savvy guys are thinking in the comment section. What if the thief just pops the SIM card or turns on airplane mode before I can send the lock command? They thought of that too. If you send the remote lock request while the phone is offline, the command sits in the cloud waiting. The absolute millisecond that phone connects to any Wi-Fi or cellular network, it will instantly lock the screen. And if you pair this with offline device lock in the same menu, the phone will automatically lock its screen anyway if it stays disconnected from the internet for an extended period of time, especially in the unfamiliar places. Having said all this, all these features are not really foolproof, but having them is better than having nothing, right? So do yourself a favor, take the 2 minutes to enable remote lock today. It is one of those features you pray you never have to use, but you'll be endlessly thankful you set it up if the worst happens. If this video helped you secure your device, smash that like button. We are still grinding hard on our race to 200k subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into One UI and Android. And don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The wallpaper that you see here is available under premium section. I have added this wallpaper yesterday. Do go ahead and check out the wallpaper application. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.